discuss what things you should remember while hiring an application developer. So are you a business owner or a startup owner but you want to launch your own application, right? So this video is about the topics you should remember while hiring for an app developer. Either it can be a freelancer or a company, anyone, but you should always cross-check these points that I'm going to discuss in this video. So yeah, let's get started. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agarwal from Ronix. We are a complete website and application development company. We can make amazing applications for you. We make applications like e-commerce app, multi-vendor application, food delivery app like Big Basket, multi-service application like Urban Clap, Gojek similar application, live tracking application, courier delivery applications, and much more. So if you are looking for an application development, you can connect with us directly by number showing on the screen. And you can also visit our website ronix.com. You can also mail us at ronixtech@gmail.com. So number one point is response and behavior. So whenever you are hiring for a developer, always check what is his response time. If you are messaging him right now, how much time he is taking to reply you and how much time he is taking to solve your queries. So if you are looking for an e-commerce application, always check your freelancer or your developer or the company you are connecting with, how much time they are checking. Also, check their behavior. When you are asking for queries, are they getting very much impatient? Are they solving your query with total kindness? Always check these two things because these things will matter in a long business method, because when you will be having a lot of problems in your application or any technical issue, if the person is having a very long response time, if you are messaging him right now and if he is responding after like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or maybe after 10 hours, 5 hours, then your business can suffer a lot of this. Also, if he is not very well with behavior, then it can be very problematic for you in a long run to run your business with your application. So always double check that your developer or the company you are hiring, either it's from freelancer, Fiverr, Facebook, or either it's from direct approach by internet, you should always check the behavior and the response time of that company. We can understand sometimes it can be the time zone difference, like if you are from USA and if the developer is from India and there is a night, so maybe he cannot respond, but whenever he wake up, the first message he do to you, then he is a very good developer. Luckily at Ronix, whenever you confirm a project with us, we create a group with our team members, so there are more than one people available always to help you and to support you. So you can always visit our website ronix.com to start your project with Ronix. So yeah, let's go ahead with the point number 2. Portfolio and company work. Whenever you are hiring for a developer, always double check that the developer has previously done similar work. For example, if you are going for an e-commerce application, you should always check that the developer has previously made e-commerce application. He can send you his sample work, he can send you his client work, he can send you his client reviews available on internet, he can send you his portfolio link. So all of these details you can ask from him. If the person doesn't have very much strong portfolio, or if the person doesn't have very much strong past work, then he may not be the right person for you, because whenever you will face a problem in the application or whenever you would like to understand the functionality of the application, maybe the developer is not that much experienced, so he won't be able to give you that much quality support after the handover is done. So you should always double check that your developer has a very nice portfolio and he have done a lot of previous similar application. That is very good for your business to run online, because experienced person will always give you good services lifelong. Luckily at Ronix, we have our own portfolio at market.ronix.com/shop, and we have all our ready-made apps available over there with price, description, features, terms and conditions, everything that you can find over there. Also, whenever you connect with us, you would also get our recent clients apps made on similar business model. So you can actually see that same app other clients are actually running. So that can make you understand that the company has already done very much past work. So you should remember always the point number 2, portfolio and past work. Very important topic. Number 3, it is a single person or it is a group of people. If you are hiring a freelancer or a student, it will be always a single person. What will it will affect you is whenever you will having a query or you want to do some data, you want to do some changes in the application while the project is running on. As he is a single person, he won't be able to give you that much energy and that much time if he is a single person. But if he is a group of people, if he is a company, he will be able to give you more time. So, whenever you will having a problem, someone is always available to solve your queries. Luckily with Ronix, whenever you confirm a project with us, we create a WhatsApp group with our team members like your app developer, your project consultant, your technical support person and many other people will be available in that group. And whenever you have a query or you have an issue with the application or if something is not working, you can just drop a message in the group and one of our team member is always available to help you because there are a lot of people available in the single group to help you. You can also call or message us directly on the same group and you will get a call back directly or you can just directly call your technical consultant also. So always go for a group of people if you want a high quality application. But if you are just starting up, if you just want to test the application, you can also go for a freelancer, a single person. But for a high quality, very good running business, always go for a group of people. So whenever there is an issue, you are not dependent on a single person. Number 4, your app functionality. So this is a very important topic. So the developer, the person who is working with it, he should always understand what type of app you are looking for, what is your functionality and what is your exact outcome that you are wanting from that application. Whenever you go with an experienced developer who has made similar app, so he will be understanding your requirement very neatly and he will be clearing it very nice way. So whenever you are going for an e-commerce app, so you don't need to tell them that you need a payment gateway as they will understand this automatically as there is an experienced developer working on that app. So that is why your developer and you must clear all the features before starting the project. So there is no change in the project, there is no price fluctuation because in any app development project, the price of the development depend upon the functionality of the application. So if your application functionality go higher, the price will also go higher. So always choose a developer that understand your functionality, understand your idea and you both agree on those functionalities. Number 5, not going for a very low cost developer. So in the market like now, you will find an app developer everywhere. You can find him on Facebook, Fiverr, Freelancer, online websites, local area and much more. You can also hire us for an application development for your business. We are Ronix.com. We are a complete website and application development company. You can connect us with the number showing on the screen or you can also mail us on this mail ID. So whenever you are hiring an app developer, you should never go for a low cost app developer because due to the low cost, as the cost is low, he will give you the quality and the value of the time low, so he won't be able to give you a very good product. For example, if you hire an app developer, let's say a product that's everybody is quoting for $200 and you get a developer who is actually saying you $50 only and you hire him and he will respond you later because obviously he's not a company, he's a freelancer who's maybe a student or something, so you don't have that much time and that much energy to work on a $50 product. But he may be able to give you, but he won't be able to give you support. There will be a lot of bugs and at last you won't be able to run a successful business with that product. So I always suggest to go for a medium budget developer, but you should never and never go for low quality or low cost developer because that type of product either never get completed or you will be never able to launch your successful business and run it smoothly because low quality developer equals to low cost developer. So yeah, let's talk about point number 6. Always hire an experienced developer with good amount of knowledge in your quality application. So whenever you are hiring an app developer, you should always hire experienced developer. I think this is a very common point that everybody knows, but whenever they hire an app developer, they don't consider this very much, but this is a very important topic. So whenever you are hiring an app developer, you should always go with the experienced developer. But the question over here is how to find that our developer is experienced that much or not. That is a very easy method. Check their portfolio, check their past work, check their past clients, also check their reviews on internet, also check their work portfolio in detail. So by all these methods, you will be able to understand that your developer is experienced or not. There is also one more method how you can find your developer is experienced or not. You can ask him more queries, you can ask him questions regarding the language, how the app can work. You can ask him ideas, and if he is giving you quality equivalent responses, if he is giving you proper suggestion that do this, I suggest you to do this, I suggest you this product, I suggest you do this, then he is actually an experienced developer. You can also see that if you have anything that, for example, if you are looking for a multi-vendor application and if he has something in multi-vendor that is actually low cost, that is actually good features, and that is actually a ready-made product, so you don't need to have to invest a lot of time and a lot of money and a lot of energy to understand this, then this type of developer you should definitely go for, because they have something that you want, and also as it's a ready-made product, it will cost you nearly $300, $200, $500 maximum, as basically a custom-made app goes for $800 to $900. So that's how you will save more time, energy, and you will also be able to focus more on your business. So these are all topics you should remember while hiring for an app developer. So I hope this video helped you. If you are looking for an app developer, you can also hire us, Ronix.com. We are a complete website and application development company. For more, kindly visit Ronix.com or talk to your consultant to understand more about what type of developer you should choose, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.